Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that could change the way you cook. Meet the Instant Pot Vortex Plus, a 6-in-1 mini air fryer. We found this product online and have added a link in the description so you can check out its latest price and availability. The Instant Pot Vortex Plus is a versatile kitchen appliance designed to air fry, bake, roast, broil, dehydrate, and reheat all in one compact unit. If you're looking for a way to simplify your meal prep without cluttering your kitchen counter, this air fryer is definitely worth considering. With its 4-quart capacity, it can easily serve up to 4 people, making it perfect for students, singles, or small families. Now, let's talk about some of the standout features that make this air fryer a must-have. First off, it boasts 6 cooking functions. Whether you want perfectly crispy chicken wings, golden roasted vegetables, or even delectable baked goods like cinnamon buns, this appliance has you covered. What's more, you can adjust the temperature from 95 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, giving you the freedom to achieve the exact texture and flavor you desire. One of the features I personally love is the user-friendly operation. It has one-touch settings that make cooking a breeze. You simply select what you want to make, and the intuitive touchscreen will guide you through each stage of the process. No more guessing if your food is done. This air fryer keeps you informed every step of the way. Let's not forget about the Even Crisp technology, which is designed to give you that perfect crunch with 95% less oil than traditional deep frying methods. So, if you're looking to enjoy your favorite fried foods without the guilt, this feature is a game changer. It's a fantastic way to enjoy the taste and texture of fried food while keeping your meals healthier. Another highlight is the quick cleanup. The non-stick air fryer basket makes washing up effortless, meaning you won't have to dread the post-cooking mess. It's designed to make your life easier, so you can spend more time enjoying your food and less time scrubbing dishes. Safety is also a priority with the Vortex Plus. It includes essential features like overheat protection and auto shutoff to ensure worry-free cooking. This peace of mind is crucial, especially if you're multitasking in the kitchen or if you have kids around. So, who is this air fryer suitable for? Well, if you're someone who loves to cook but often finds yourself short on time, this appliance could be a lifesaver. It's also great for those who live alone or in smaller households, as the 4-quart capacity is ideal for preparing meals without excess waste. Additionally, health-conscious individuals will appreciate the ability to create crispy, flavorful dishes with significantly less oil. Now, let's discuss some practical use cases. Whether you're whipping up a quick weeknight dinner, meal prepping for the week, or even hosting a small gathering, the Instant Pot Vortex Plus can handle it all. You can air fry some chicken tenders for a movie night, dehydrate fruits for a nutritious snack, or bake a delicious dessert, all with minimal effort. In conclusion, the Instant Pot Vortex Plus 6-in-1 mini air fryer is a versatile, user-friendly appliance that can elevate your cooking experience. With its compact design, multiple cooking functions, and safety features, it's perfect for anyone looking to simplify meal prep without sacrificing flavor or quality. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.